Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get verified on Audiomack. It's very easy. So if you want to get verified on Audiomack, you just need only two requirements to meet. You need two uploads of music and 25 followers on Audiomack. Right, so as you can see right here, this is actually my Audiomack account and I'm verified. As you can see, there's this tick at the edge of my account name. Alright, so that's it, and I have 94 followers on Audiomack. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. Okay, so the first thing we actually need is the audio creator app. So you have to go to the App Store or Play Store and install audio creator app. Alright, so I'll search for the Audiomack, sorry, not audio creator app, but Audiomack creator app. Yeah, Audiomack creator. Alright, then so here's the app. So you have to install this Audiomack creator. Alright, so I already have it installed right here, so I'm going to open it. So this is my Audiomack creator app. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on the monetization icon at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on that, you get the option to authenticate your account. Right, so you just have to scroll down and click on apply now. Alright, so just click on the apply now button and follow the process. So it's that easy. Right, so once your account is authenticated, then you can get the monetization option. Then you can be able to apply to monetize your Audiomack account. So that's just it. That's how you can do it. Very, very easy, guys. So guys, hope this video was helpful and you now know how to get verified on Audiomack. If yes, give this video a like, and in case if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video.